Welcome to Best Choice. The best bath bombs is probably one of the most fun and creative activities you can do with your kids. Imagine the joy on their faces as they mix, mold, and watch their very own fizzy creations come to life. This video will guide you through the simple steps of making DIY bath bombs, transforming ordinary bath time into a colorful, fragrant, and exciting adventure. Get ready to dive into a world of fizzy fun. Number 5. Dan&Darci 3-in-1 Spa Science Kit. This amazing kit lets kids create their own soap, bath bombs, and bath salts. It's a fun and educational way for them to explore science while making cool spa products. They will love it. With this kit, they can make beautiful soaps using various colors, fragrances, and glitter. They can mix and match to their heart's content and create unique, multicolored soaps. It's a great way to get creative. Kids can also create fizzy bath bombs with this kit. They can add colors, fragrances, and even hide surprise charms inside. It's a fun and exciting experience to make their own bath time treats. They can create salt scrubs and fizzy bath salts. Layer the colors in the jar and add the ingredients to make it fizzy. It's perfect for using in the tub or gifting to someone special. The kit includes everything needed, from ingredients like citric acid and baking soda to tools like molds and spoons. It also comes with a learning guide to help them along the way. Everything is safe and ready to use. What we like. This kit is a triple threat, offering soap, bath bombs, and bath salts. It's a complete spa experience in one box. If you're looking for a comprehensive kit that lets you explore multiple DIY projects, this is the one. It provides everything you need for a fun and educational experience. What people say. Our kids are obsessed with bath bombs. This was a cute activity for them and they loved using the bath bombs after they were done. This kit comes with toys to put in the middle, which is their favorite part of bath bombs. My 7-year-old loved it and easy to navigate instructions. This kit was easy for her to use and came with detailed instructions. She had a fun making different bath bombs and salts for everyone in the family. You can add scents and it even comes with little items to put inside the bombs. Number 4. KLUTZ Make Your Own Bath Bombs Activity Kit. Bath bombs are super popular right now, and they make great gifts. This kit makes it easy to create your own. The basic techniques are simple to learn. It's a fun activity for young girls, tweens, and teens. The ingredients provided, including glycerin, are safer and more suitable for kids compared to some online tutorials. It's designed with them in mind. With this kit, you can make your own bath bombs. It's a fun and creative project. The kit comes with a 36-page book. It provides instructions and inspiration for making your bath bombs. What we like. This kit uses kid-friendly ingredients, making it safe and fun for young creators. The included book provides clear instructions. If you are a beginner or want a simple, straightforward project, this kit is perfect for you. It's designed to be easy and enjoyable for all ages. What people say. The bath bombs fizzed and turned the water fun colors. The kit includes everything needed. The molds are easy to use. Number 3. STMT DIY Bath Bomb Kit for Girls. With this kit, you can mix, mold, and drop your own bath bombs. It includes 6 vibrant mica powder colors, body glitter, and gold shimmer. You can create custom bath bombs to help you relax and unwind. The kit includes stress-relieving lavender, soul-warming vanilla, and dried rosebuds. These ingredients will help you create bath bombs that melt away the stress of the day. You'll feel relaxed as soon as they hit the tub. The provided coconut oil will do wonders for your skin. After your bath, you'll feel moisturized and nourished. It will help you take on the world. Everything in this DIY bath bomb set has been designed with vegan-friendly formulas. It uses clean beauty ingredients free from parabens, phthalates, and harsh chemicals. It's safe for you and respects our furry friends. The set includes dried rosebuds, coconut oil, a round metal mold, baking soda, bath bomb mixtures, colorful mica powder, essential oil droppers, body glitter, and a project booklet. Everything you need is included in the kit. What we like. This kit includes soothing essential oils and moisturizing coconut oil, perfect for a relaxing bath experience. The vegan-friendly formulas ensure a safe and gentle product. If you like a spa-like experience with added skin benefits, you should consider this kit. It's designed to pamper your skin while you unwind. What people say. This STMT bath bomb kit will make 5 bath bombs balls about 2 inches in diameter. This kit contains 6 different mica powder colorants, a packet of glitter, 2 fragrances, vanilla and lavender, plus a small bottle of dried rose buds. The bath bombs were fully set by the end of the party, and each child got to take home their own creation. Number 2. Dan&Darci Bath Bomb Making Kit for Kids. This kit lets you create 10 bath bombs. You can mix the ingredients and pour them into the molds. Don't forget to add the surprise charms inside for extra fun. Have fun experimenting with colors. You can create multicolored layered bath bombs. It's a great way to get creative and make bath time exciting. Making your own bath fizzies is so much fun. You can keep them for yourself or give them as gifts. It's a perfect activity for kids of all ages. All the ingredients are 100% safe for your child's bath. They meet or exceed all safety standards. You can relax knowing that it's safe to use. The kit includes everything you need: citric acid, baking soda, Epsom salt, fragrances, colors, molds, and more. It also comes with an instruction guide to help you get started. This kit is a fun and educational gift for all ages. It's a great STEM project that fosters a love for science. It's engaging and exciting for kids. What we like. This kit allows you to create a generous 10 bath bombs, perfect for sharing or enjoying yourself. It's a fun and educational project that fosters a love for science. If you're looking for a kit that provides both quantity and a safe, engaging experience, this is an excellent choice. It's great for individual play or group activities. What people say. Very colorful and smells great. Fun activity for sure. We'll reorder for more kids. Easy fun gift. I like the little mold, super cute and reusable. It comes with a good amount of stuff so you will be able to make more. Bought as a birthday party gift. Awesome for the 6 to 9 age group. Number 1. Just my style NIVERSE Galactic Bath Bombs. With this kit, you can mix and mold simple ingredients to create 5 unique bath bombs. They are detailed with glitter and bright colors. It's a fun and creative activity. Learn about the chemical reactions happening in your bathwater. You can investigate how changing the ingredients affects the fizz. This is a great way to learn while having fun. Customize the scents and colors by mixing the included mica powders and fragrances. This allows you to create something truly unique. It's all about expressing yourself. Explore the science behind bath bombs and discover what makes them erupt. It's a fun introduction to DIY beauty essentials. This kit makes learning fun and exciting. Every component in the set has been designed with vegan-friendly formulas. They are also free from parabens, phthalates, and harsh chemicals. It's safe for you and our furry friends. The kit includes molds, baking soda, mixture packets, mica powders, coconut oil, fragrance droppers, glitter, a bonus poster, and easy-to-follow instructions. Everything is included to get you started. What we like. This kit encourages experimentation and creativity, allowing you to customize scents and colors. It's a fun way to explore the science behind bath bombs. If you enjoy a hands-on, educational experience with a touch of glamour, this kit is perfect. It's designed to spark curiosity and creativity. What people say. Comes with everything you need and easy-to-follow directions. The instructions were clear and everything you need is in the kit. I really like that you get 3 different 3D-shaped bath bomb molds. You get a small spherical mold, small hexagon-shaped mold and a large spherical mold. The molds are easy to use because the 2 pieces snap together, making it easier to form and hold the bath bomb mix. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.